Good morning for Grand Family Farm. It's about 7 a.m., about 51 degrees or so. It's kind of cold out here. It's Monday. Start of a new week. More stuff to do. Lisa milked Bella, and Bella had to stop here and get some more milkweed. Come on, Bella. Go back in your pen. Well, it's almost 11 o'clock. The wind's picked up. Came down here, get my eggs, water the animals. It's always neat watching the helicopters fly over from the army base. I was hoping to plant the lawn. Oh, there's one more. It's late. Kicking. Can't wait till summer's here. It's supposed to be summer. All this summertime weather will be happening. But yeah, this wind has been crazy this year. Little pig's always hungry. Here comes 4 more. Anyway, I had to water the pigs. A lot of extra noise today. Pigs. Okay, this is the problem. Brandy, get off of there. Get down. There you go. All the pigs and the goats have their hay now. These piglets here are wearing alfalfa leaves. I was over there sharing with the baby. The boar being mean, trying to be a hog about things. Make myself a pig. And Petunia's over here digging through just for the leaves. Don't want to eat the stalk there. Look at all this stem here that she doesn't want to eat. What a picky pig. I like those goats. They finally ate it. My little castrated pigs, they seem to be doing okay. It's been a few days now. I'll be moving them in with the rest of the piglets. I don't know, another day or so. I'll make sure they're nice and healed. Chickens gave me 10 eggs so far, and Doug gave me 1. It's not too bad, ladies. Well, I'm going to hit the Hidden Treasures thrift store here in a minute. I'm going to see if they got a battery charger. I need to see if that's what's wrong with my golf cart, because it is not turning over very fast. It will not start. Here we are at Hidden Treasures thrift store. Well, got me a battery charger from the Hidden Treasures thrift store. So we're going to go home and try it out on the golf cart, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Here's a battery charger I got from the Hidden Treasures thrift store. Seems to be working. I have it hooked up to the golf cart, and we're hoping that it's just a weak battery is why it's not turning over. It's trying to, but it just don't seem like it's fast enough. This is a kind of weird setup. This is not normal like a regular starter, so I'm not really sure what's wrong with it. Hopefully this fixes it. Press charge battery. We're out here milking Bella on the green hogs. They're all throwing a fit. Here's Harold over there. These little guys are pretty quiet since they've been castrated. Well, at least he got Bella milked, got her put away. The neighbor Steve brought this tote over for us. That was very nice of him. And I just got finished putting the tarp back up that Brandy was standing on top of earlier. It's not quite all right, but it's there. I'll have to fix it. Of course, this is all a temporary fencing, so can't wait until I get things permanent and things will be better. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.